In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom alert in Microsoft Outlook. This guide will help you manage your email notifications more effectively so you can stay organized, avoid missing important messages, and improve your overall productivity while working with your inbox. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your Windows computer. You can launch it by clicking the Outlook icon on your desktop or by searching for it through the Start menu. Once the application opens, make sure your mailbox is fully loaded so you can access all settings without interruption. Next, move your attention to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. This will open a drop-down list of options. From this list, select Options. Doing so will bring up a new window where you can adjust and personalize different settings within Outlook to match your preferences. Inside the Options window, look at the panel on the left side and click on Mail. This section contains all the liaison settings related to how your email behaves, including how messages arrive and how you are notified. Now scroll down until you reach the section labeled Message Arrival. Here you will see several checkboxes that control your notification preferences. This is where you can customize how Outlook alerts you whenever a new email comes in. To set up your alerts, enable the option that plays a sound whenever a new message arrives. This allows your computer to produce an audible notification, which is especially helpful when you are away from your screen but still within hearing range. Next, enable the option to display a desktop alert. This will show a small pop-up notification on your screen whenever a new email is received. It serves as a visual reminder, which is useful when you are focused on other tasks and may not notice sounds immediately. Using both sound and visual alerts together gives you a balanced notification system. It ensures that you are less likely to miss important emails, whether you are actively working, multitasking, or temporarily away from your desk. Once you have selected your preferred notification options, go to the bottom of the window and click OK to save your changes. This step is important because it applies your new settings and activates your custom alert preferences. And that's it. You have successfully configured your Microsoft Outlook notifications to better suit your workflow. These small adjustments can make a significant difference in how efficiently you manage your emails every day. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.